This is one of our relatively earlier harvests. July and August were stable and warm. Towards the end of August, we had a heat wave that stayed until September. The heat waves sped up ripening, and we started picking our first cabs in mid-September, and this is one of our last blocks now in mid-October. Clusters look great. Berries are small and full of flavors. Tannins are well developed, not too harsh, really soft. This is almost the last block of the year. We have one more block coming in. Yes, we're going to tank 12 today. Definitely had some challenges, but overall it was good and smooth, and I'm really happy about it. I'm super excited and I feel really lucky. It's been such a good harvest. Our quality has been so good.